What's going on, everyone? Just wanted to do a quick video here on an instant hot water tank. Now there's a lot of videos out there talking about these things and how good they are, but I wanted to add a little extra detail to that because I'm actually in the Northeast, so I'm actually in Massachusetts, so our winters are pretty cold, and I just wanted to share my experience within the last 6 months. So basically I installed this, as you can see here, in August. So today is actually March 7th. So I've had it just about 6 months now, and basically the worst of the winter is over. One thing I wanted to add, I'm also on a well system, right? So I have a well, right? And I also added a filter system, this iSpring filter system. Pretty sure I have a video on YouTube about that. I'll link it below. So I added a filter system, and I also added this anti-scaler. So basically these balls are supposed to hold back the calcium and the scaling, and that's inside this filter right here. And as you can see, this is the cold water coming in. This is about, again, 6 months old. It's nice and clean. Now this one here is about a year old, and it's pretty clean, you know what I mean? It's not a big deal. My system was never too bad as far as bad water, but by putting this filter system in, it definitely made a big difference. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about this guy. So like I said, I've had this thing for about 6 months. I'm in Massachusetts, and I've had no issues with this thing. Right, we've had 0-degree weather. I'm on a well system, so my water comes in pretty cold. Probably average is probably like low 40s. And as you can see, somebody's using it right now. I typically run it at 115 degrees, and that's a hot shower. I can't take a hot shower, at 115 degrees. So this thing is running at 115. That doesn't mean that's what you're getting, because don't forget, you're mixing the cold water with the hot water. So you might be running 110, whatever feels comfortable. So there's no sense in having this thing up to 120, 130, 140 if you're just going to cool it down to 110 degrees, 105 degrees anyway when you're taking a shower. So like I said, awesome, no issues. Very, very, very simple to hook up. This is an electrical system, so there's no piping, no venting. So basically, it takes 3 double pole 40 amp breakers. So I got 1, 2, 3. It comes in from the junction box down here. Cold water in, hot water out. Simple as that. Very, very simple. Like I said, guys, if you guys are thinking about putting this in, now down south, you're not going to have any issues at all. But being in the Northeast, being in a colder climate, having colder well water coming in, I was a little concerned. Now let me tell you guys, again, no issues. As you can see, this system is running right now at 1.2 gallons per minute. Right? It's pumping at 115. So basically all these bars, there's 5 bars right here. There's still another 5 bars to go. So this is a 29 kilowatt system. It's supposed to be able to run 2 showers and a sink, so somebody washing the dishes. And I've run 2 showers with this thing plenty of times and no issues. The best part about it, always have hot water. Never, never, never run out of hot water. And you don't have a tank here just wasting power, wasting electricity, wasting gas, just sitting here maintaining that water. You go on vacation, and that water's just maintaining there for no reason. No reason. We can go away for a week, 2 weeks, a month. This thing will never turn on unless somebody turns on the hot water. I mean, how fabulous is that? Again, guys, I can't stress it enough. If you guys are thinking about putting one of these systems in, if you're in the Northeast, believe me, no issues. I would highly recommend it. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.